2024 Toyota Camry with the 2.5 four-cylinder engine. We've just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. To do this, go ahead with your foot off the brake. Go ahead and press your start button 2 times. It's gonna do this whole crying bit, not ready to drive, well, we're all gonna die. All right, just press the back button right here, and utilizing this dial pad, we're going to scroll over to our settings gear, and you're gonna scroll down until you see vehicle settings right down here at the bottom. Press the OK button. No, I know you're not ready to drive. Press the OK button, and then you're gonna scroll down to scheduled maintenance at the very bottom. Push OK, and then go up to yes. Reset complete. And that's all you need to do to reset your maintenance light on your 2024 Toyota Camry. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.